representing a culture, country lifestyle. Welcome again, everyone. Today I'm in the jungle, thick tropical jungle of Jamaica. Stuff, but we're still not giving in. I'm in the heart of the jungle. A lot of various type of things in these rocks. The jungle, you have to be really tough to come in these type of jungle. If you are soft, you cannot approach these type of terrain. There are so many rabbits in all these rocks. In this time of the day, all those wild boar, they're not gonna come out now. The wild boar are hiding this time. Serious, you have all these type of dangerous thing. This thing in Netra, the cowitch, this is the one that this touch you. Dangerous little fella this. You have to tough go through these terrain. Really tropical rain jungle. Black lizard, a brown lizard. Lot of caves are around here. Look at this one. Cave. There's some serious. This cave system is very dark under there. Very dark. So some rabbits. All those rabbits. Oh man. The countryman is smart. Myself track these streets. You have be tough like rock. You have to tough like rock. Just kick off my shoes a while ago. Giving my feet some breeze. These rock stones, these rock. Wow. No cave system. Those rocks. Just thumbs up on all our vibes. If you like the content, just subscribe. Just ring the bell at any time, so you can know when the new content comes. It's I. So many rabbits in all those rocks. Wild cats, all type of things. It's a massive rock. Wow, you got to be tough like rock to enter these
terrain. Down in that. Yeah. Wow. Some tough terrain, man. There's a duck cans. That's a duck cans nest, see it? That's a huge one, that's so large. Whoa. Some drowned crows lay their eggs right up in that tree up there, that big fig tree. The drowned crows. I'm not gonna go too near the drowned crows. They always lay and have their young ones in that large tree over there. This is danger. This maca, this plant, it can rip your skin, cut your skin. See? Got these. Extremely dangerous. Woo! 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 Wow, I just saw that big junk crow. The male one, he landed on a coconut tree. Like, yes, him in the coconut tree over there. He don't want him to attack me. Because they always have their nest around here. This is part one, my viewers. Thanks for watching part one. Look out for part two. Cannot do long videos. My internet not good. Very slow. So I have to just do my videos them short.